ex the best and she always gon' check up on me. I know that one day we'll love each other because we homies. She doing everything that I knew she would when I knew she could. Selling hair and chop, but the word don't ask cause I know she good. But may I know this? No, this ain't YouTube, but I broadcast when I hit my show list. And she always focuses something that she gon' always do to me, but it ain't new to me, and she's exclusively. Get it? I say that probably went over y'all heads.
What is up, YouTube? Hey. So basically, I am going to, yikes, put my seatbelt on. Just put out the driveway. Oh, there's my math teacher running. Hi, cool. This is a very different video. I am clearly driving, okay? Also, if you guys hear like this rumble sound, I do drive a truck, so you'll have to excuse that sound when I put my foot on the gas. But anyways, I'm going to get my nails done, and I thought that I'd just film a drive with me. I feel like it's a different type of video, and you know, it's something different than you know, my little other hair videos, fashion videos, vlogs and stuff like that. So yeah, so I'm going to get my nails done. I am going to get them the same color as my hair. I'm going to get one, either all my nails are going to be this color, or all my nails, or one hand is going to be this color and the other hand is going to be navy blue. I got the idea off of Pinterest, by the way. And you guys are probably wondering, like, okay, this hair though, sis, you have lime green hair though, sis. And I got this hair from, it did not come this color. I got a frontal and 3 bundles, and they came in 613 blonde, and I got the vivid, I think it's not vivid, it's not called vivid, it's I don't know, but whatever the brand is, I had got the color Limelight. And at first I decided to do the watercolor method and like dip it in the water, and literally only the ends and my roots had turned the color, and the rest of it turned yellow. Like it went from blonde to yellow, and then my ends had just turned this color. So I'm just like, okay. So then I'm like, fine, I won't do the watercolor method. I'll actually just sit there and paint the dang on hair and dye it. So I went and bought some more dye and I did the rest, and this is how it came out to be. It's really cute. It's more of like an ombre too, because the ends and the back is like a little darker green. It's really cute. So anyways, yeah, I dyed this and made the wig, of course, because I had got frontals in a bundle. And yeah, this is what I have, and I'm actually like really liking it. Like, I love this hair color on me. I really wish this was my real hair, but at the same time I kind of don't, because you know, I wouldn't be able to put a lot of outfits together with this. I already can't put outfits together with my orange hair, but shoot. So yeah, I don't really know what else to talk about. But yeah, I really like this hair. It stayed soft and everything. Like, it's thorough. It's body wave hair, and I literally just wet it, and then it comes with like this little wave is what happens. I want to straighten it so it can be really like flowy and nice and silky. So I'm probably gonna do that later. And yeah, I don't really know about too much about, you know, to say about this hair, but I really mess with it, and I'm pretty sure y'all about to mess with it too. I'm pretty sure I'll do another video with this hair on too. So I know you guys didn't get the full like info. I guess y'all probably didn't think y'all was gonna get, but like, that's really all I have to say about this hair, is that it's company. I'm gonna have the details below. I got it in blonde, so it's not gonna come this color, and it's not gonna come already made. So I did make this wig as well, and yeah, we just used the Limelight color. That's the only color I had ever used. And then the only thing that's the watercolor method didn't work for me. I just don't think I had enough dye in the pot, so I think that's why. But yeah I'm just gonna turn the radio on and you guys can jam with me for a little bit until I get there. Hopefully I don't get copyrighted, but if I do, oh well, I really don't care. But yeah.
Even a broke digger, I'm with Mo sippers, watched by gold diggers, rocking Bajor denims with gold zippers. Lost your touch, we kept ours, popping crystals, freaking the 3/4 reptiles. Enormous cream, forest green, binge G for my team. So while you sleep, I'm a scheme. You see through, why nobody never gonna believe you. You should do what we do, stack chips like. Don't let the melody intrigue you, cause you
know why. I want to love you, pretty young thing. You need some loving, and I'll take you there. I want to love you, pretty young thing. You need some loving, and I'll take you there. I'm loving the way that you give no, yeah, we don't get no, yeah. I just want my flow, yeah. I love this haircut on me, yeah.
Now Mace be the man, wanna see you doing good. I don't wanna get rich, leave you in the hood. Girl, in my eyes, you the baddest. The reason why I love you, you don't like me cause I'm status. I don't wanna see you.
So basically I am about to pull up at my nail salon, and I mean my mom here as well. So I'm about to go in, get my nails done, come back out, show y'all my nails, and I think I'm about to go get a pair of heels for somewhere that I have to be tonight. And yeah, so I will see y'all when I get back in the car.
Tell me what you want from me. Take a look at what you see. Let me know if it's right here.
They wanna see you in a penitentiary. I think you look, baby, who gon' listen? And I don't wanna be the one you hitting. I'm gonna look and would make good decision. And I gotta keep a ton of vision. I need me a good baby who gon' listen. But I don't wanna be the one you hitting. The cool that they don't like to see you winning. They wanna see you in a penitentiary.
Yeah, my video is concluded. This is my little drive with me. I'm gonna do more of these because I'm literally in the car every day for like hours, just driving, going places, going shopping, picking up friends, all that good stuff. And my camera keeps falling, so yeah, it's definitely time for me to go. But I did beat my face. Y'all see that highlight? Oh my god, woo! Okay, basically it's time for me to get off of here. It's really nasty and gloomy outside, and I have to get ready, take this front off, go put a black one on, and then get cute. Luckily I'm already showered, makeup done. All I gotta do is my hair, and I already know what I'm wearing, so it's just the fact that I gotta take this off and put another one on. But hey, so anyways, I am out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Be like, look sis, she did the live color. Okay, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.